everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got the cutest little coach to show you today. So this is a coach Elise and it's in a really lovely dark green colour. So we've got double top handles, and then along the front here we've got one front exterior zipped pocket. So I'll just unzip that so you can see in there. So we've just got that coach fabric lining inside there. And then attached to those top handles, we've got that coach dog tag here. And then we also have one removable strap, which is also adjustable. So we have it on kind of the middle setting at the minute. So you have the option to make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. And then we have a zip top closure, and all this hardware is that lovely dark silver tone. So we've got a zip top closure, and inside the bag, we've got one zipped pocket. And then on the other side, we have one flat pocket, and that has little press stud fasten on it. So the condition of this one we've called good all around. There's just a few signs of wear on it. So on the exterior, you can see on the front here we've got just a little scratch. You can see when I turn it away from the light, you can see that little bit of a scratch on the front. And then on the bottom, again, we just have a small little scratch there. So there's minimal signs of wear. On the exterior, that leather still feels really nice, and it's still got a lovely shape to it as well. The hardware has just got kind of hairline scratching. You can see on those clips where that's a little bit scratched on that on either side, but for the most part it's still lovely and shiny, and it still all works perfectly as well. And then on the interior, we have called that good again. It's just because there is some marking along the base of that fabric lining. So right on the base you can see some small marks on there, just signs of use on that bit. That is the condition for this coach Elise. It just comes with the coach little care card. And if you wanted to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. And that is the link to shop this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. So if you click that link and it takes you directly to this bag, that's great, that means it's still available. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, if this is one of your favourites, or if it's one that you're looking out for, just let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll get you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and with that long strap I can have it on my shoulder like that, or I can pop it crossbody as well, for a bit more of an on the go look. Or if you wanted to take that strap off completely, you can just unclip it on either side, and it's really nice and easy to do that. And then you just got it with those double top handles, and it's a really nice mini little size, and you wouldn't mind carrying this around all day with you, especially with that strap, because it's a nice size but big enough to fit everything into it as well. All your everyday essentials. So if you are interested, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page while you're on our website. So if you're interested in selling any of your bags, all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a read through there, like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.